Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook name. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Facebook application, and if we want to change our Facebook name, we have to go to the Facebook setting. You can click on these three lines and click on the setting icon, and in the settings and privacy, you have to go to the account center. Okay, and select your profiles, select your profiles again, and since we want to change our Facebook name, we can select the name, and here we'll be able to change our first name, middle name, and also last name. For example, I'm just going to change my middle name. Okay, and then we can click on review change and our Facebook name will be changed. Alright guys, so that's how we can change our Facebook name. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.